So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 25,020. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. There are other menus available to you as well, and all of those you can cycle through using the buttons just here. Beneath that, we have stereo controls. Stereo controls continue on the left along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front speed. Over in the center, we then have the main touchscreen for the car. So up on here, we have the radio, as you can see, DAB, FM and AM radio. If you listen to your own music, hit the media button. There's a number of ways you can listen to that, and you can see them being displayed on screen now. And they include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. And that is, of course, after you paired your phone, which you do just there. Beneath that, we then have the air conditioning, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction of the air. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on. Same button turns it off again, of course. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set just here. We have heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over here for the passenger side. Beneath that, we have storage, USB input. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. Beside that, I should say, you start and stop the engine from this button. We can turn our parking sensors on and off from here. This car's got autonomous parking, meaning it's able to park itself. We've done a couple of videos showing this system working, albeit in a different brand of car, but the system is much the same in that it will take control of the steering for you. And then over here, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off, and you can change the driving setup of the car as well. So we can go from eco to normal, sport or individual, and under individual you can customize these settings. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.